Good morning. So, you might have heard this analogy before, but I wanted to share this with you because it really is quite powerful. It's so simple. So, I'm holding a glass of water here, right? And this is not the glass is half full, glass is half empty analogy. This glass of water represents some stress in my life. And if I hold on to this, for a few seconds, for a few minutes, I deal with it. My arm hurts a little bit, but eventually, I'll put it down and I'll feel better. If I hold on to it for 10, 15 minutes, might cause a little more discomfort and, my arm might weaken a little bit. If I hold on to it for an hour, my arm's really going to hurt. It's going to start to resonate through my arm. Maybe my shoulder's going to hurt. And if I hold on to it for longer than that, eventually I'm just going to feel the pain throughout my body because it just keeps permeating through. It starts at the root and it works its way in. This glass of water represents your baggage and all the things that you don't want to let go of. And the truth of the matter is, when you put it down and you let go of it, you create freedom for yourself and you'll feel so much better. So just think about that. Next time something happens, it's okay to feel bad. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to have some negative emotions around it. But the key is knowing it's time to put it away. It's time to let it go. Put that glass of water down and move on. Such an important analogy. So the longer you hold on to stress and the longer you hold on to the things that are bringing you down, the more it permeates your soul and your being and it gets into you and really starts to cause damage just mentally, which eventually becomes physical. So keep that in mind. Whatever you're holding on to, learn to let it go. The faster you let it go, the faster you get some freedom and you can move on with your life to bigger and better things. Have an awesome day.